Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Try 5 Guy, and in this episode I'm going to show you a Jeep that I worked on. I did the body work on it. It's a 1943 or it's a 1944. It's one of those 2 years. I couldn't decipher that part, but it's a 43 or 44 Jeep, GPW, so it's a Ford Jeep, military Jeep, that's seen some duty overseas somewhere. That's all I know. But anyway, the owner was pretty adamant about it using as much as the original Jeep as we could restore. I end up having to put new floors in it and a few other bits and pieces and make some rust repair sections. So just on a side note, it's filmed in portrait mode, not on the horizontal or landscape mode. So I apologise for the black lines on the sides of that. But anyway, I think it's pretty cool little video, so check it out, and please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, this is what it looked like when we first got it in the shop. It was pretty rough and needed some repairs. And here is the actual the finished product of it in the drab green, all finished and ready to go. Here is I sandblast around, or we sandblast around the edges that we're going to cut away. And here the front floor is removed, ready for the installation of the new front floor section. Yeah, and here the front floor is clamped in, ready to be welded. And yeah, so it's 1944. Start of the video now. GPW, military Jeep. Put new floors in it. Rebuilding these sides here. New floors. She was rusty. New tubs.
And we're ready to help. With expert advice, flexible financing, and industry-leading equipment, you can get the job done day after day. Get 0% for 60 months on new equipment. Visit a Milton application.
Pretty dark in here, but new tubs and floor.
Or go to miltoncat.com. Terms and conditions apply.
Everyone knows the best deals of the year are on Black Friday. And right now at Mark Motors, Nissan, and Sanford, every day is Black Friday. Mark, the fact you
Yep.
very special news for
A lot of work, people don't realise. 44 Ford. Willys, Ford Willys, GPW, old military Jeep. I just put new floors into it, in it, I should say, and tubs, wheel tubs or wheel housings. All this side here was all rotted out. As you can see, I had to make this section here. I found that in the box with all the parts, so that was handy. I didn't have to make that. But all this here was all rotted out. You can see I cut it out and had to fabricate that. It's where the shovels sit, shovels and picks or whatever. Anyway, so that's what I'm up to today on this. Okay, in this video I just finished all the body work on it, and as you can see, you know, it has filler in it. There wasn't a straight section of this in the quarter panels or in the tailgate area there. It required a lot of work, and yeah, there's filler in it, but you know, it's not abused. It's not like there's a ton of it in there. It's not thick, you know, but you know, it was necessary to get it straight. You're not gonna get it straight without using it. Not that metal. That's 70, 80-year-old metal right there. So yeah, so it was ready for the U-pole reface polyester putty. Put the Jeep in primer. Got a few little touch-ups to do. Haven't touched this thing in a long time. That top bit there was floor. Wheel tubs have been replaced. Floor. This back panel was just atrocious. It really was. It's a Ford. The floor was all rusted out. I replaced all the floor panels. These corners here were beat in that way pretty good. The back panel was probably had an inch bow in it that way. So the quarter panels are all original, but I did do rust repairs on the lowers. Back panel's original as well. Wheel tubs have been replaced, but the side skirts are original. Like I said, the floor has been replaced. The dash had a few holes welded up that weren't supposed to be in there over the years. And these were just smashed in. Rust repairs around that side as well. And that's the axe, where the axe handle slides up under, protect it so you don't cut your hands, like a sheathing. And that's a tank drain down there. This thing was rusted out and dented out to hell. Not bad, 1943. That one there were replaced. It's where the fender follows through here. This top panel was pretty damaged as well, like someone was standing on it. So yeah, it's come up good, I'm happy with it. It's all going back to original. I'm glad I'm finished it. Yeah.